Welcome to Health Steps 24/7. I'm Chris, your social media pharmacist. Today I will be talking on 7 ways to prevent eye medication mix-ups. Become a health stepper. Walk more. Count your steps. Enjoy your walk. Subscribe to Health Steps 24/7. Here is my question for you. Have you ever confused your eye drops medication with your eardrops medication because they are in similar dropper bottles that look the same? If your answer to this question is yes, just know that you are not the only one. Unfortunately, mix-ups like these are common. Eye drops and eardrops medication bottles not only look the same, both eye drops and eardrop medication bottles have a dropper with a rubber bulb at the top. In addition to the physical similarities between eye drops and eardrops medication bottles, eye drops and eardrops have similar medical terms. The medical term optic, that is OPTIC, is used for eye drops, while for eardrops, the medical term otic, that is OTIC, is used. Because the difference in these two terms is just one letter, it can be difficult to see the difference between your eye drops medication and eardrops medication on the package and labels of the bottles. So how can mix-ups be prevented? How can you reduce the risk of making mistakes between your eye drops and eardrops or some other dropper bottle? I will share these 7 tips with you to help you avoid eye medication mix-ups. Tip number 1. Keep your eye drops and eardrops in their original boxes. While most eye and eardrops bottles would not have a picture of an eye or ear on the bottle, most eye and ear original boxes would have a picture of a eye or ear on the box, which makes it easier for you to identify and choose the right drops. Tip number 2. Keep your eye drops bottle away from your eardrops bottle or any similar looking bottle, such as medication drops for your pet and super glue. Yes, you heard that right. People can mistakenly pick up that super glue bottle instead of their eye drops medication bottle. Therefore, do not store your eye drops in the same location you store your eardrops, medication drops for your pet, and super glue. In fact, your medication drops for your pet and super glue should always be kept away from your medication. Tip number 3. Learn the name of your eye drops medication. Also, know the color of the cap of your eye drops medication. Let your doctor know if you are having problems seeing your eye drops medication bottle clearly. Tip number 4. Learn the name of your other medication drops. For example, the name of your eardrops medication or the name of any medication you may have for your pet. That is, any medication drops you may have for your pet. Also, know the color of the caps of your different medication drops bottles. Tip number 5. To avoid making mistakes, before putting drops into your eyes, always read the dropper label out loud. Doing this can help you, for example, reduce the risk of putting your eardrops into your eyes. Tip number 6. Select different times to take your eye drops and eardrops. Doing this can reduce the risk of an eardrop for eye drop mix-up. Tip number 7. Do not keep leftover drops. Once you have completed your course of treatment, get rid of any leftover drops. Throwing out leftover drops leaves less dropper bottles for you to possibly get confused with and make mistakes. Why is it important for you to avoid making mistakes when using eye drops medication? Why is it important to avoid eye medication mix-ups? It is important to avoid eye medication mix-ups because accidentally putting eardrops into your eyes can cause your eyes to become red. You can also experience burning, stinging, swelling of your eyes, and blurred vision. While these symptoms generally occur for short periods, mistakenly putting some substances into your eyes can result in very serious injuries. Think about what can happen if super glue gets into someone's eyes by mistake. This can cause that person's eyelids to become glued together, leading to the possibility of pain, red eyes, sensitivity to light, feeling like a foreign object is in the eyes, and even worse, blindness. Super glue in the eyes would most likely mean an emergency trip to the hospital for urgent medical treatment. Thanks for watching this video. Feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Join me next time for more health videos. Bye for now.